When it comes to improving your home's aesthetic appeal, comfort, and energy efficiency, window installation is one of the most effective upgrades you can make. Whether you are building a new home or replacing old, worn-out windows, opting for professional window installation in Washington offers numerous benefits that go beyond just functionality. In this article, we'll explore why choosing a professional installer is the best decision for your window replacement project. Expert installation for optimal performance. One of the primary reasons to choose professional window installation is that it ensures the windows are installed properly from the start. Installing windows may seem like a simple task, but it requires precision, skill, and knowledge to ensure the best results. An improperly installed window can lead to numerous issues, including air leaks, water damage, and poor energy performance. Proper sealing and fit. Professionals have the tools, experience, and expertise to measure your window openings accurately and install the windows to the exact specifications. This ensures that the windows are properly sealed and fit perfectly, preventing drafts and ensuring a tight barrier against outdoor elements. Avoiding future problems. A professional installer knows the correct techniques for installing windows to ensure they function efficiently. Improper installation can result in long-term issues such as leaks, fogging, and potential structural damage. With professional installation, you can avoid these problems and enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a growing concern for homeowners in Washington, especially with the city's fluctuating weather patterns. Old, inefficient windows can be responsible for significant energy loss, as they often allow air to escape or enter the home. Choosing professional window installation ensures that you are getting windows that will help regulate your home's temperature and reduce your energy bills. Insulation and proper sealing. When professionally installed, modern windows with energy-efficient features like double glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fill can dramatically reduce the amount of heat lost during the winter and block heat from entering during the summer. This leads to lower heating and cooling costs, creating a more energy-efficient home. Long-term savings. Proper installation ensures that the windows perform as intended, providing long-term savings on your utility bills. In addition to reducing monthly energy costs, energy-efficient windows also increase your home's value by making it more attractive to potential buyers who value sustainability and cost-saving features. Improved home comfort. Window installation can significantly enhance the overall comfort of your home. Windows that are properly installed create a more consistent indoor environment, preventing drafts and reducing noise from outside. This is particularly important in Washington, where outdoor temperatures can vary, and the urban environment often means dealing with street noise. Temperature regulation. New windows installed by professionals can help maintain a more stable indoor temperature. With the right windows, your home will stay warmer in winter and cooler in summer, providing year-round comfort without over-relying on heating or air conditioning. Noise reduction. Professional window installation often includes the use of soundproofing features, such as double-glazed or laminated glass, which help to reduce noise pollution from busy streets or neighbors. This makes your home quieter and more peaceful, allowing you to enjoy a relaxing environment. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Your windows are an important aspect of your home's exterior appeal. Whether you're replacing old, outdated windows or installing new ones in a new home, professional window installation can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its market value. Stylish window options. A professional installer can help you choose the right window styles, materials, and finishes that complement your home's architecture. From sleek casement windows to elegant bay windows, a professional can guide you in selecting windows that enhance the overall look and feel of your home's exterior. Increased home value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient windows and modern designs. By investing in professional window installation, you not only improve your home's curb appeal but also increase its resale value. Potential buyers will appreciate the quality and functionality of newly installed windows, making your property more attractive in a competitive market. Safety and peace of mind. Window installation requires handling heavy materials, using ladders, and working with tools that could be hazardous if not used properly. By hiring a professional installer, you avoid the risks associated with DIY window installation, such as injury or improper handling. Proper safety measures. Professional window installers are trained to handle the installation process safely. They have the equipment and knowledge to install windows securely and efficiently, minimizing the risks involved. Warranties and guarantees. Many professional window installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and the installation. This means that if anything goes wrong, you're covered and can get the issue resolved without incurring additional costs. Access to high-quality products. When you hire a professional window installation company, you get access to top-quality windows that may not be available to the general public. Reputable installers work with trusted manufacturers and offer a range of options that are designed for durability, efficiency, and performance. Premium brands and materials. Professionals typically work with the best brands in the industry, ensuring that you get windows made from high-quality materials that will last longer and perform better than cheaper alternatives. Customization. Whether you need windows with specific features, like energy-efficient coatings, special finishes, or custom sizes, professional installers can provide tailored solutions that meet your needs and preferences. Conclusion. Professional window installation in Washington is the key to maximizing the benefits of your window replacement project. From enhanced energy efficiency and home comfort to improved curb appeal and increased home value, choosing a professional installer ensures that the job is done correctly and safely. Additionally, professional installation gives you access to high-quality products and expert guidance, helping you choose the best windows for your home. If you want to enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and attractive home, professional window installation is a smart investment that will pay off in both the short and long term.